We've spoken a lot about how looks matter. But today the topic is a bit different. Women are drawn initially by how men look, but on long term women find the inner characteristics very much sexy. So, today I'm going to tell you a few characteristics women find irresistible in men. So, let's get started. Number 1, cool in any situation guy. Women find men attractive who have the ability to keep their calm in any situation. It might be under stress, pressure, whatever it might be, women want to be with a man who has control. This type of controlled behavior shows how mature a man is, and how distinguished he is. The most important part of being calm is how safe and secure women feel around him. Over-aggression is kind of an insecure behavior. And women don't want to be with such men. Women fall after being secure a lot. That's the reason why they want a rich, calm and mature man. They want to feel secure around their man. If you go crazy fighting for small things, it's a big turn-off for women. Even if you are crazy rich, women just don't want to be around you. Number 2, you have a purpose. What you are thinking right now is quite different than what I'm about to say. It's not just about your career, it's everything about you do, and how you do it. If a guy is very good looking, the way he dresses, the way he smells, the way he walks, the way he talks all come down to one purpose. He wants to look awesome, he loves the way he is, and he is putting in effort to look that way. If a man is trying to build his career by spending prolonged hours into that project or work, the purpose is his goals. A man looks very attractive, not only by the way he looks or dresses, but when he struggles and tries to be the best version of himself, and it is evident. Women love such men, who put in efforts for what they want. And I'm pretty sure, they're gonna earn it. All of these come down to one thing, it's self-love. Number 3, having integrity. Integrity is sexy. It doesn't matter what you commit to, but when you do, show up fully. Now that when you commit to someone or something, you make an empowered decision to devote your energy, time, resources and heart. It's not only a practice, but a way of living with a deeper devotion and with truth. All day long we are given hundreds of opportunities and circumstances to practice living with integrity. Some of these are definitely more fun and feel easier to commit to than others, but nonetheless, they all deserve the same quality of our attention. And when we do show up fully, we are always rewarded because our actions feel more like acts of service, not only to others, but most importantly to ourselves. In the beginning, living with this sort of integrity, which means living with honesty, accountability and integrated actions can often feel contractive as extra effort, intention are required. However, with time we strengthen this capacity and it becomes a natural expression that we value within all aspects of our life. We quickly realize what relationships, projects or circumstances are not being fueled or led with integrity, which allows us to redefine our boundaries and redirect our energy elsewhere. It's a way of reclaiming our power through presence. Because when show up with full presence, no matter how small or big the act, we walk away from it with a sense of completion and contentment. We can rest assured that we gave 100% of ourselves. From there we can soften around the tiny details or outcome, and open further to the grace of the universe to carry us forwards in the best way possible. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.